In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Discord nickname in a server. This is perfect if you want a different name in one community without affecting how you appear everywhere else. A quick note before we start. Your Discord account has a global username, but a nickname is server-specific. That means what you're about to change only applies to the one server you choose, and your name in other servers stays exactly the same. Go ahead and open Discord, then enter the server where you want the new nickname. Make sure you're actually inside that server's channels so the next menu appears in the right context. At the very top left, you'll see the server's name. Right next to it is a small down arrow. Click that arrow to open the server menu. This is the hub for settings that apply only to this server, so it's the place you want. From the menu that opens, choose Edit Server Profile. This takes you to a focused screen just for your identity inside this server. You'll see a nickname field. Click into that box and type the name you want to use here. Keep it clear and recognizable so people know it's you. It's a good idea to follow the server's rules. Some communities have guidelines about format or tone, and you should avoid anything that could be mistaken for a moderator or bot name. Short and memorable often works best. If you're switching for an event or game night, you can include relevant info, but keep it friendly and appropriate. Once you're set, look for Save Changes and click it. That's the key step that makes your new nickname stick. After saving, your nickname is updated just in that server. You'll notice it next to your messages and in the member list, but only within this one community. Everywhere else, your name remains unchanged. If you don't see Edit Server Profile or the nickname field is grayed out, that usually means the server's permissions are restricted. Some servers limit who can change nicknames to keep things consistent. In that case, you can reach out to a moderator or admin and ask if they can enable it for you or update it on your behalf. Also, if your change doesn't appear immediately, give it a moment or switch channels to refresh the view. That's all there is to it. Open the server, use the down arrow by the server name, select Edit Server Profile, enter your nickname, and save. Simple, clean, and fully contained to that one server.